going to the old part of the city now. This is called Chinatown, and this is one of the oldest shopping center here. That's on the right is Kotaraya, and now it's called Philippine Mall. This place was famous for all these imitation products like Rolex and Gucci and you name it, they have it. And here, a little bit up on the right, they used to have a famous theatre called Rex Theatre. Now Rex Theatre is turned into a mall, eatery mall. Very colorful and very nice. This is shop here lah.
The basement.
Oh.
Upstairs is book access. So this used to be a cinema. The floor is still the same. Inside all the maintained the same. They just transformed it. You see most of the shops here, you're going to see a transformation when it's very clean, upgraded. They maintain some of the old style grills and all that, but it's just cleaned up a lot.
It used to be very messy those days. But nighttime here's the Pasar, right?
That's it.
Oh, the other side.
So reggae bar is just down there, you can see. Turn into this lane, reggae bar is not the road.
Not facing that side, Chief.
What?
Reggae bar.
That side, that side.
Main road, right?
Not main road. Yeah, it's facing a main road. Right.
When you come out from the bus station, it used to be on there.
It's that side.
Yeah.
Turn left there.
And this place used to be a market also, right?
No. This the Chinatown starts from this lane and turns around to the other side. L shape. Stop there, you can see the tower close up.
Yep.
They're starting there.
Yep. Morning traders are here. Stolen shoes, I think. Branded stolen shoes, maybe. Don't look like her.
If you want to buy flowers, Chinatown is the best place to buy bouquets and all that. Yeah. And then here they have, if you're doing hamper packaging, there's a lot of shops in this area that sells all these small flowers and decoration things. You see the shop?
What?
Tian. It's a Chinese shop, Tianjin. You see how they dig up, they maintain.
Still messy, yeah, bro? Some kind of.
Yeah, it's a Sunday traders.
I think it's selling something for Dicky. Sir, get this oil. Elephant balls oil.
Yeah, it's a Sunday bazaar.
Oh, so look like stolen goods.
Sunday bazaar.
Yeah, iPad, Apple phone all. Okay, now this is what are stolen shoes.
Not stolen, I think it's probably all like
Recycle.
Bundle.
Bundle, this boy also doing bundle.
So you know why? Because the Indonesian workers, construction all are off today, right? They'll come and buy the clothes for work. Cheap stuff.
Chinatown hostel. I still have this. Kalau speed no car. Run away, but okay, there we are looking at it. It's supposed to be the third tallest building in the world.
Not too sure about that. So look at this old building, the green one, compound.
Pasar Karat. Rusty Market.
So this is the bazaar place Sundays.
Oh yeah lah. Look like Dhaka or Bangladesh or something like that.
Bangladesh, Chinatown.
A lot of foreign traders are here. totally changed this whole place.
It's very nice and safe to walk around.
I used to come and take my bus here, no? Klang.
Bus stand.
So Reggae Bar used to be, you know, the
Yeah,
after
yeah.
the
Reggae
traffic
bars,
light.
yeah.
Wow. So close, St. Regis and here, just. Free bus service. It's not bad also, they provide free bus service all.
Yeah, but you need to wait.
Yep, it's free, right?
It's free.
Then cannot complain.
I complain if all the Mangla pushing you then
That crowded there.
very crowded. Pasar Seni Maha.
This is Pasar Seni
Central.
Central Market. It used to be a wet market those days and converted into a central market, selling all these souvenirs,
Arts and crafts of Malaysia.
arts and crafts of Malaysia. This central market was built in 1888. This is our famous post office. They had some explosion some time ago.
Explosion when?
We put a bomb there a long time ago because that used to be our Petronas HQ before moving to the Twin Towers. Now we are going to the Jalan Tun Samandano called.
You want to go down to Petaling Street again?
Can also. Petaling Street. Taking another trip at the Petaling Street. We have not covered fully, so round 2. This one Bati used to work here like UMBC, this building, the one like on top Mangkok. I used to come here to teach table too. UMBC, United Malayan Banking Corporation. Those days used to come here very often. Take the bus, come here, stop, cross over, take the one and going to Rajachulan. KL skyline. And of course with this new tall building. Merdeka Tower. Chinese temple.
Chinese assembly hall.
He's coming soon.
It's the 4-point special.
Oh. New building, eh?
Hotel.
That's
Yeah, the shop changed the black one.
Anjo. Cool, eh?
Well, nice eateries here. Nice places to have your good food.
So we come into KL. Just try not to miss this. Chinatown.
So Melody, you look on both sides of this street. If you want to buy like all these decoration pieces, floral stuff. Look at this shop.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Next time can try.
And I got another one here. Tea cafe.
Looks like Ipoh.
It's old school. Now they don't want to break it. Keep it nice.
See, look at this
Paint it.
colorful
LGBT lah.
party shop. So if you want to buy party stuff, it's in here. All the balloons to decoration to whatever.
Right. The famous Petaling.
Tidbits and dry fruits. Malaysia's tidbits and dry fruits. This corner.
Oh, I should go to one.
There's so
Only
many-
know earlier. I should go and buy the Father's Day thingy.
So many things you can find for Chinese New Year, for Deepavali, for everything in here.
Ate.
Indon.
No ate.
Indon. It's a nice place to come and walk in the daytime, like a Sunday. Less traffic and you can just walk around. Straight up is Chinatown. lah. Take you to the place.
MRT Pasar Seni station.
So this is where the
All the
old blues pub used to be. There's some nice
Oh,
makan places also here.
right. Old eatery place. Hello Planet.
And there's one very nice Chinese eatery. It's like Nyonya type of food. Yeah, this one.
Ah, Cafe 16 Kedai
16. This one, this corner
Kedai
here.
coklat.
There's another
very
famous
crowded.
place here on your right.
So this
Cafe
is
Dian.
Cafe Dian.
So a lot of good Chinese food here. I think the one Nyonya food is this. Oh, this is already Alimutu. Old China Cafe. On your left. That's the famous one.
Oh.
It looks very old, Hong Kong style. Something like that.
Old China Cafe. Yeah.
And there used to
And
be
nasi
Chichong
kandar here.
Pangong. And I say Pangong.
They made it look like a
Restaurant and bar
cinema.
Pangong.
Of course, right in the middle of the heart of the town.
So normally I come, I'll just park in this hotel, walk. So this restaurant here on the left. So you come and have Penang chendol at this van here.
Penang chendol, huh?
Yeah, from the van. Alright, that's it. 9 Dragon Cha Chanting. Next time you have guests, you want to take them out and then you can bring them here. Paradise City. Hare bah, hare bah.
D Loft Hotel. This Petaling Street is very crowded at night. They start off at 7 p.m. onwards. Pacific Pure Hotel. நிறைய அந்த கஞ்சா டிக்கெல்லாம் இருப்பாங்க.
Yeah, but
Harapan
It's
also.
not dangerous plus lah.
This is the bus station. I thought last time the reggae bar was somewhere around here. Or
On
behind,
your
I think, eh?
On your right.
Oh.
You just enter this.
Somewhere around here,
On
right?
your right, you turn here. It's the small street.
Hmm.
It's there.
Central Market again.
Ate,
Ate.
pulang ka naman ate.
Open the window lah.
Alright.
And shout.
It's a famous railway station built in 1890s. Built by the British. They had Taipei, Port Klang and Penang. Patu ada. This is where the British were building the bricks.
Catholic church here. Holy Rosary.
There's a beautiful Catholic church.
Holy
Middle.
Rosary Church. HRC. Everybody calls it Hard Rock Cafe.
But very beautiful, huh? Because we have the temple here.